Hi, you guys, it's Miss May. I just wanted to do a quick video on how to use the add codes. You would use add codes if you were on a wait list, or let's say you changed your mind about a class and you need to change it. And then also, or if one of your classes gets canceled. The very first step is to making sure that the new class you are trying to add is already cleared under the when can I register on your My Solano student tab. And that is only just so we're making sure that we have that special admissions form on file with our contact, okay? So, you know, for the sake of the presentation, we're gonna assume that that the new class that you're trying to add has been cleared and you're good to go. So the next step would be is to making sure that there is still room in that class. So you'll go to that class search from that solano.edu. And for the sake of the example, I'm gonna go ahead and add American Sign Language 2. So then I'll scroll down to American Sign Language 2 and figure out, you know, which days and times work best for me. So let's just say that I want to take this very first one, the 183 CRN number, and there's 8 spaces available. So then I would proceed and starting to email the professor, right? So I would copy that, and then here you would draft it. And then you would make sure for the subject line, you put ASL2, CRN number 183, and you can double check that with that. And then you just, you know, the proper email etiquette. I hope you are doing well. I was interested in taking your ASL2 class. Is it possible to get an add code? Say thank you for your consideration. And then, of course, you would send this as an email. I'm not going to send it because I don't want to take the class. But typically, the professor will respond back saying, "Of course, here is the add code," right? So then the next steps after you get the add code from the professor is to go into your My Solano account. So we'll log into My Solano, and we're going to go into our add or drop section. So from here, we click that student tab, and then we scroll down to add or drop classes. Make sure, you know, submit. And then here, this is where you will add that CRN number, right? And then you'll click submit changes. And then an error message pops up. It'll tell you that it's an incomplete status with the reasons noted, and you cannot be registered without a registration add authorization code that's provided by the instructor. So then here, it'll, you know, whatever code the professor gives you, you type it in or paste it, and then you'll click validate. I'm not going to click validate because that's an invalid add code. But after you click validate, it should then come back here and say that you were registered on whatever date for that class. Okay. If you guys have questions, please let me know. I am here to support you any way that I can. All right. Thanks, you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.